Welcome to Psychology Her Way channel, where we delve deep into the fascinating world of psychology. Today, we are going to talk about habits, the good ones and the bad ones. Habits are powerful and can shape our lives in unexpected ways. This episode, we will be talking about bad habits, why we develop them, and how we can break them. What are bad habits? Bad habits are the repeated and often unconscious behaviors that negatively impact our lives. These could be anything from oversleeping, procrastinating, smoking, drinking too much, overeating, biting your nails, or the tendency to pick up your phone every few minutes. Sometimes habits are initially developed as coping mechanisms to deal with stress, anxiety, or boredom, but they ultimately end up causing more problems than they solve. Why do we develop bad habits? Bad habits can develop because of a number of reasons such as social pressure, past experiences, and genetic factors. Sometimes we develop habits to deal with negative emotions or to soothe ourselves. Some habits may feel good in the moment, but they end up causing harm in the long run. The brain functions on habits by forming neural pathways over time. The more we repeat a behavior, the more likely it is to become a habit. How to break bad habits? The good news is that we can break bad habits, but it is not always easy. Here are some strategies that can help. Number 1, identify triggers. Identify what triggers your bad habits. Is it someone or something that makes you feel anxious or uncomfortable? Is it a particular environment or a certain time of day? Once you identify the triggers, you can begin to develop strategies to avoid or mitigate them. Number 2, replace the bad habit with a good one. If possible, replace the bad habit with a good habit. This could be something as simple as taking a walk instead of smoking or sipping tea instead of drinking alcohol. Number 3, build new neural pathways. Habits form neural pathways in our brains. To break bad habits, we have to build new neural pathways that replace the old ones. This requires repetition and consistency. Number 4, use positive reinforcement. Celebrate your successes along the way. Positive reinforcement can help you stay motivated and continue to make progress towards breaking the bad habit. Conclusion. Breaking bad habits is not easy, but it is possible. It requires self-awareness, discipline, and persistence. Once you break a bad habit, you will feel a sense of accomplishment that can motivate you to tackle other areas of your life. Remember that the brain has the capacity to change, and you have the power to shape it in positive and healthy ways. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode.